Hi everyone, good morning. So I have not been vlogging much because I am very busy running around here and there since I'm going to go back soon. But anyway, today we are planning to go on a small family picnic. We have not decided on the place, but let's see where we're gonna go. Let's see where the journey takes us. I'll take you guys along. See you guys there. Bye. Hi, so we have reached our first stop. Hi again, so we reached our second spot. I'll just give you a sneak peek. So guys, we have reached our final destination. I'm coming here after 9 years. Oh my goodness me, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. 9 years back it wasn't like this. It was very plain and not much, but now it's so developed and so nice. Now we're gonna have food here, do some barbecue with the family and spend some time with everyone. I'll see you guys. Bye bye. So beautiful.